Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will discuss about the data structures question asked in Capgemini on 18 December 2021 slot 2. I have already uploaded the video of the previous slot. If you have not watched the previous video, do watch the video. I will mention the link of that video in the description. So for the first question, we have to find the height of the BST. So the property of the BST is that the left subtree, the value of the left subtree should be smaller and the value of the right subtree should be larger. And the height of a BST is the longest path from the root node to any leaf node. So the longest path from the root to the leaf will be 5. So for this answer is option B. In this question, we have to find the address of the element A of 3, 4. So the formula here is A of ij is base address plus j multiplied with the row subset plus I multiplied with the storage size of one element stored in the array. So A of 3, 4 is base address, which is 30 here, j is 4, the row subset is 9 and I is 3, and the storage site which is given as 2 words per memory. So it is 30 plus 78, which is 108. For this, the answer is option D. For the next question, we have been given the post-order traversal of a BST and we have to find the in-order traversal. So the in-order traversal of a BST is always in sorted order. So it would be 40, 45, 53, 60, 59, 67, 73, 87, 94 and 111. So for this, the answer is option B. For the next question, when we draw the heap tree for this, we will get the following, and when 80 is inserted, so the property of the max heap is that the parent node should be greater than or equal to the value of its child node. So when 80 is inserted here, the 79 which is less than 80, so it violates the property of max heap. So it will be interchanged and 80 will be placed in place of 79 and 79 will be the child of 80. And finally we will get the following as the array representation of the given max heap. For this, answer is option B. For the next question, uh, we have to find the minimum number of swapping using bubble sort. So in this we can do is one thing, that we will find for each number on the right side the number which is less. For 17, if we consider the number of the right side which are smaller than 17 is 4, and the numbers are the 15, 12, 8 and 14. Similarly, the number on the right side of 21 which is smaller than 21, it is 5. Similarly, for 15, the number smaller on its right side it is 3, and they are 12, 8 and 4. For 12 it is 1, for 18 it is 2, for 8 it is 0 and for 14 it is 0. So by adding all the number of elements which are smaller than the corresponding numbers, we will get our result. So 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, which is 15. So for this, the answer is option A. For the next question, the answer is option A, both 1 and 2. For the next question, the application of the stack data structure is both 1 and 2. For this, the answer is option B. For the next question, if we do it in the traditional way by comparing 42 with 33 and then swapping, then comparing 45 and 40 swapping, then comparing 42 and 40. Similarly, we can do for the rest of the element until it is sorted. So the number of swap which is needed is 6. We can also do it by the method which we have specified earlier. Like for 42, the number which is on less than 42 on the right side it is 3. For 33 it is 0. For 45 it is 2, and for 40 it is 1. So the answer is 3 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1, which is 6, which is option C. For the next question, we have to evaluate the postfix expression by I have used the stack data structure. So 4 will be pushed in the stack, then 1 will be pushed in the stack, and when the subtract operator is pushed, it will perform the subtract operation, and which is result in 3, and then 3 will be pushed in the stack, again 2 will be pushed in the stack, and when addition operator is encountered, it will perform the addition operation on 2 and 3, which is 5, and 5 is pushed into the stack, and then 4, and when multiplication operator is pushed, it will pop out and perform the multiplication operator operation, which is 20. Then 20 will be pushed into the stack, and then 2 will be pushed, and when division operator is encountered, it will perform the operation and it will result in 10. So for this, answer is option D. If you found the video helpful, like the video and share the video with a friend. Thank you for watching the video.